got black, love, and confidence too. Kinda quintessential and you love in you. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, it's your girl here's Janae back with another video. Yes, I am back and I'm proud to do this video for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video. As you see, my hair is looking like this. So I just really freshly washed my hair. I used the Design Essentials Almond and I use the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado collection, the shampoo and the deep moisture mask. So my hair is feeling really good, but I have to actually add some leave-in conditioner in my hair. So for the leave-in conditioner, I am going to be using the Design Essentials I don't know how to say this. I think it's kukui. It says kukui. Wow. Whatever that is, and coconut hydrating leave-in conditioner. It is for relaxed and natural hair, so if you have relaxed hair, you can also put it in your hair as well. So I'm just going to be plopping it on my hair. So my hair is pretty much damp right now, so I'm just applying that product throughout my hair. I love the way it feels. It's like a wet consistency, like it makes my hair feel wet. It's actually making my hair feel like I'm applying some more water on it. It does have moisture in it, so it's not too heavy of a product and not too light as well. It's just right, I guess you could say, for my hair. As you see, as I apply it on here, it does provide moisture on it. It doesn't leave any white product on here, so it just really kind of like just melts into your strands, which is a plus. So what I'm doing right now is just applying it on here. So really, y'all, I'm trying to get through this video. I'm trying to hurry up because I am pressed for time. So I just want to show you guys on camera how I actually achieve a bomb wash and go. So this is the back part right here. So this is really just me rushing, y'all. So I'm pretty much just raking the product through, and my hair is pretty much well detangled. So I really don't have to do much of that as well. You can literally see the difference between this side and this side, which is great. Look at that, y'all. Yes, it kind of like woke my hair up some, y'all. So now that I applied it on both of these sides, this is how they look. As you see, it looks very well hydrated and everything. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and move on. Like I said, I am in a rush. So this is really how I do my hair when I'm in a rush. I don't really know what else to do to it, so I'm just going to do a regular smegular wash and go. So after I apply that on there, we're going to go ahead and apply some oil in your hair. Now this part is optional. I know some people like to put oil in their hair, some people don't. But I like to put oil in there because I feel that it actually locks in my moisture in my hair. So I'm just applying some oil on there. So really what I'm doing is the lock method. Okay, and I know it may look like I'm being rough with my hair, y'all. I really kinda is. And don't forget to take care of your ends as well. So I like to just focus on my ends too. Okay, so you focus on your ends and you really just repeat the steps. But I'm just gonna do this side first since this is already out. So what I'm doing here, I'm gonna just split this right here in half, because we're gonna work on it, and we're gonna work in sections, and I like to work in 4 sections to make sure that I get all the product in my hair. So the next product that I'm going to be using is the Miche Bounce Curl Defining Cream. So they did send this to me, but I haven't used this yet, so I'm actually curious how this is gonna be reacting on my hair. And I'm gonna be applying some water in there, because when I apply water on my hair actually turns out more defined. Really, water does a lot of its job when doing a nice wash and go, but the products it just helps define your curls even more. Let's see how this goes, y'all. Okay. So oh, I forgot to detangle, y'all. Hold up. I'm over here talking about detangle. I didn't even do nothing. So let me go ahead and do that part. Let me make sure. I put a little on there, but it's okay, y'all. I told y'all I'm hurrying up, so I kind of screwed up a little bit, but it's okay though. So I'm just using my detangling brush to help with any type of tangles that I do have. Of course, I'm doing the raking method. I'm also smoothing out my hair as well. It's not going to be as perfect. I really don't know how my hair is going to turn out at the end, but this is how the curls are looking. y'all. So I had to fuse my hair and I stretched it just a little bit. So this is how my hair is looking. So right now I'm just going to be picking my hair out at its roots and also just a little more at the end. So I'm just kind of trying to shape my hair up. And the last thing I'm going to be doing is applying the Design Essentials Natural Honey and Shea Edge Tamer. Y'all, this is actually a really good edge tamer. Like, as you see, when I applied it on there, it literally slicked my edges. And when I use my bristle, my hard bristle brush, like, y'all, it just smooths it down. And it actually lasted all day. And I'm actually surprised because, you know, sometimes it is kind of hard to find some good edge controls. I do have several that I actually love, but this one right here is definitely the bomb, especially if you have like kinky hair like me, kinky curly hair. But anyways, this is the final results. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by giving me a thumbs up. And till next time, love y'all. Bye.